LatteGo provides silky smooth milk froth and is exceptionally easy to clean with just 2 dishwasher-safe parts and no tubes. Large capacities in compact design, 9.7 ounce bean container, 12x waist container, 60.8 ounces. The intuitive touch display makes it easy to adjust aroma strength, coffee quantity, and the amount of milk froth. Go up to 5,000 cups without descaling with regular replacement of the AquaClean water filter. Enjoy 5 delicious coffees from fresh beans, including cappuccinos, lattes, and iced coffee.